Eggs, they come from farms ready for us to eat.
But they aren't just good to eat, they're awesome to experiment with. Hi, I'm Henry, and today I'm going to show you how to use chemistry to make a rubber egg.
You'll need a few eggs, just in case, 1 bottle of white vinegar, a clear glass that will easily hold an egg, a torch, and food coloring.
To make the rubber egg, we're going to need to dissolve the egg shell. To do this, we're going to need vinegar.
Okay, first thing to do is place the egg carefully in the bottom of the glass and cover it with vinegar. It's a good idea to set up a few in case of breakages.
Wait a bit, and then have a look at the surface of the egg. There should be bubbles starting to form. That's the start of a chemical reaction.
After 24 hours, carefully drain the glass and cover the egg with fresh vinegar. Then leave your egg somewhere safe so the shell completely breaks down.
Wait at least 2 days and you can check if your experiment's ready by gently rubbing the egg shell with your finger. This can take up to 7 days.
When it's ready, drain the vinegar and rinse the egg with water. Gently remove any remaining shell and dry.
Now we have a rubber egg, but how does this work? Well, eggshell is made out of calcium carbonate, and vinegar is made out of acetic acid.
The acid dissolves the calcium carbonate. This reaction forms carbon dioxide. So those bubbles we saw when the egg was first covered in vinegar was the carbon dioxide gas that was formed.
The egg is being held together by 2 membranes. These membranes are made mostly of keratin. Keratin is the protein that goes into hair and nails. It's soft, but tough.
Without the shell, you can shine a torch behind the egg to make it glow, or see if it bounces by dropping it from about 5 centimeters above the table.
Or you can add food coloring to make yours a colorful egg.
The coloring and water from the vinegar can move through the egg's membrane easily, so you end up with a colorful egg.
And you can even drop your colorful egg from higher above to see if it bursts.